Thank you guys so much for 4K. I am going to walk you through today the hardest part in tinting a car, which is cutting. So let's start. So pretty much, if you can always use the factory edge on the bottom when it's straight, I always choose to do that rather than cutting it. And then you always start with here. So we cut, and I always make it bigger. Not too much bigger, just a little bit. And then we come to this side. Cut. I also make this side a little bigger. Nothing too crazy. Then you tack it into place. And then next, we roll it down. This one, we're gonna make 2 cuts. We're gonna come from here, and we're gonna go from here this way. Here. And that's how you cut a roll down window. From here on, you just round your corners, and that's it. Thank you guys for 4K. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Look at that lineup.